Okay, well, let's move on and bring you all the D Street chatter of the day. We have Nimesh joining in as always. Nimesh, slight pressure on the market and of course expiry related volatility. But what's the buzz out there?
Well, while as you rightly pointed out, it actually is at day's low, but the institutional activity seems to be on a lower side. The buy-side ratio is close to 1:1, so there is not aggressive selling, is what at least I can understand from as far as flows are concerned. From a sector point of view, technology and cement is where some of the buying interest seems to be from the larger institutions, so that's the space to watch out for. Surprisingly, the broader markets have given up some of the gains in today's market. It looks like it's more of a profit booking day in the broader markets, especially after a recent up move in many of those broader market and mid-cap stocks. So that's to watch out there. Technically, again, I've been saying for a while now that, for a meaningful downside, the Nifty has to close below 24,300, 23,350 level. So that's a level to watch on the downside. But I guess today it's a low activity day. The volumes are slightly lower and looks like there is a bit of profit booking in broader markets today.
All right, I mean, that's essentially the overall picture. Nimesh, what about individual names? What's on your list?
Well, Prashant, so in terms of individual stocks, the first stock on my list is Paytm. That's been a big mover in the last couple of days. The volumes have actually picked up of late as well. A couple of developments in Paytm to watch out for. One, there is a very strong indication that there could be a potential tie-up with a leading NBFC. So that's one thing. And two, the expectation is that maybe you'll hear a cap on the industry players as far as the UPI activity is concerned, and that could be a big trigger as far as Paytm is concerned. So that's the reason why we've seen a big outperformance in Paytm in the last couple of days. The second stock is Nectar Life, a small stock we don't talk too much about, but that's been hitting upper circuits for the last couple of days, essentially because I understand the clean out trade from a PE investor is largely done with. Even yesterday there was very large volumes of over 2 crore shares, so looks like that selling is finally over now. The third stock is Credo Brands Marketing, the Mufti brand. While the stock has been consolidating of late, the indication is that maybe there is going to be a clean out trade from a strategic investor very soon. So that's something to track there. And the last is Syrma SGS, again EMS company. While the stock has recovered from the recent lows after the Q2 earnings disappointment, but again the indication is maybe there could be a potential tie-up for a large order win for Syrma very soon.
Okay, all right. Interesting list. Syrma and Paytm we speak about regularly, but Credo Brands, Mufti, and Nectar Life we don't as often. But these are the 4 names which Nimesh has on his list today. So, Nimesh, thanks very much for that. Let's get some